Well, hey guys, a little update. Been working the GTO. There was a few dings and a previous repair back here that I repaired. Basically, I just got to seal this up. But we've kind of, I've put some sealer on it a few times, but just one last time. I think I about got it. Getting it ready to spray. So that'll be coming up. I also fixed this hood I picked up. It was a used hood. I did paint it at one time and had all the body work done on it. But it's been sitting so long that the wind blew it over and kind of dented it up. So yeah, and I got the fender all on. It's painted. I'm painting everything together. I am gonna pull the hood off the car so I can get a little better paint job. But yeah, a little bit of an update. I've got a mess going on, but it's pretty much almost all ready to paint. I got some masking and a whole lot of cleaning to do in here to transfer this into a paint booth. So we do have a mess. And then the interior is a mess also. Parts everywhere. I got parts. So, but all the gaps are good. So I think I am good to paint at this point. I do gotta just adjust the hood hinges on this side, and it's a little tight on that side. The hood hinges most likely pushed and bent that direction, so I'll adjust those as soon as I pull the hood off, because I can adjust them with the hood on. But cool, guys. A little update. I'm sure you don't want to see me block sanding this thing. I've been block sanding it for 2 solid weeks. So, and I still haven't even block sanded and sanded the bumpers yet, but it's close. Super close, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe, and there'll be more of this here in the next few days or the next week.